Hello, my students. In the last class, we discussed about some points like importance of PDM, benefits, purposes of PDM implementation, financial justification of implementing PDM, major components of PDM. So today, let us discuss some more points like sixth one. Check-in and check-out views are the two widely used functions in the document management. First one, checkout. It is the process of taking out a file from electronic data repository, means vault, and also it is known as software. It is used if use, user is in need to refer any data stored in a particular file or make any modifications to that file. The user can do so by enabling this process in PDM. Check-in. It is the process of saving or putting back the revised document into the electronic data repository, means vault. By this process, new or modified files can be moved to a protected area of the information system, which then can be used by any people in the organization. You see here, check-in. It is the process of taking, saving or putting back the revised document into the electronic data repository or vault. By this process, new or modified files can be moved to a protected area of the information system, which then can be used by any people in the organization. Next, seventh point, versioning. It is a mechanism helps people in the organization to capture the in- intent of changes or related dependent changes took place when an item or a file related to the product was changed. When document related to a part, assembly or drawing is checked by a user, it is automatically stored in the vault as a different version, typically starting with number 1 and moving in increments of 1, means 1, 2, 3, and so on. The vault or software automatically creates complementary new version each time when document is checked out into the vault, ensuring that files are not overwritten through renaming. Now, we'll take one example of this versioning of item. For example, imagine a rectangular plate A is to be created and saved in a file. The plate design is treated as revision 1 and will be saved into the vault as version 1. As version 1. Using check-in function. Later on, after a few days, if there is a need to change the design, for example, providing a chamfer to the plate A, the user has to open the file or plate from the vault by making use of checkout function. By making use of checkout position function, once the plate is chamfered, the file is saved back into the vault as version 2. Using check-in function, however, the plate design is treated as a revision 1 only. Again, if the plate needs to be modified by adding a hole in it, corresponding hole is made and the file is saved into the vault as version 3 and revision version 3 using check-in functions. At the end, when the designed part is freezed, it will be created as revision 2. Thus, each time the file is saved, the electronic vault will create a new version of the plate. It can take multiple versions to create new revision. Next one is workflow. It is a structured or predefined pattern of business activity enabled by the systematic definition, execution, automation of business processes where tasks, informations are passed from one person to another for action according to a set of procedural rules, and same benefits of workflow are and some benefits of workflow are it can help by identifying and removing the unnecessary steps or processes that leads to wastage in time, energy and money. 2. Modify the order of steps. 3. Tasks can be assigned to a people with appropriate skills for quick and efficient completion of work. 4. Improve the visibility. Next, ninth one, workflow management. It is the strategy for automating business workflow processes by means of software processes and is the effective application of information technologies to internal business processes to accelerate the collaborative and creative processes that drive innovation. Overall aim of this management is to streamline the components of various office systems by eliminating unnecessary tasks and the costs associated with the performance of those tasks and automatically remaining tasks in a process. Next time one PDM as a essential enabler for PLM means product life management. It is a design focused technology. It is a design focused technology increases efficiencies within existing product development processed by improving management of product design data. It updates It updates all modifications related to data, people and processes, and also enables right information to be available to the right person at the right time and in the right format. Such a database minimizes time, energy and money, so it leads to profitability, productivity and quality. Thus, the success of any product during its life cycle development totally depends upon the PDM system. Okay, bye.